There's only one world, Chanel.
That is what they teach you. We know different.
But I thought we were friends.
You want to be a friend? Don't just be here to be here. Open up your pretty brown eyes and look the hell around.
He's like the lighter to my cigarette. Watch me smoke. I never knew another human.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. First, I want to point out this beautiful wig from Luvme Hair. This is my Jerry Curly headband wig from Luvme Hair. I just want to give it a cute little shout out before we get into the actual wig for this video. So today I have a throw on and go headband wig from Luvme Hair. This is not the length that I'm used to, and I was very surprised to see how much I liked it and the way it looked on me. But before we get into that, as you already know, when you purchase from Luvme Hair, they give you 5 headbands to go along with your headband wig, and they also give you some wig caps, not 1 but 2, and then they give you this cute little goodie bag. This iridescent bag is super cute. I use it to travel. You can use it just to walk around if you're going to the store, but I like to use it as my makeup bag. And inside of this bag, they give you a couple of things that might help you with the wig. So this bag comes with some tweezers, which is personalized with the Luvme Hair logo on it. I love it. And they also give you this edge brush, which you can use for your natural hair or you can use it for your wig depending on your purchase. And then they give you these bobby pins and the strap in case you wanted to add it to your wig. A Luvme Hair pin. Another thing that you get is a wrap for your edges. This is the bag that the wig comes in. You can use this bag to store your wig in after you're finished using it. And it comes in a hairnet, which adds an additional protection to your wig. I'm just here looking at it a little nervous. I'm not really sure what to expect, but there you have it. So this is the wig cap. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. The wig comes with 4 combs. Honestly, you don't even have to use the comb. I feel like it was a very good fit for me without the combs. They have this Velcro to secure the wig in the back to your liking. So my first impression of this wig was it's very soft, and I love how it matches the natural texture of a black woman. I love it. I love natural looks, and this wig is so freaking pretty. I've never seen my hair this short, but I love it. You can wear it straight out the bag, which is why it's also a throw on and go, or you can add a couple of products to it. You can add some mousse, you can add some conditioner or some water, but honestly it was soft and just ready to go as soon as I took it out of the box. I loved it just like this. You can see I'm really enjoying it. I didn't expect to like it like that because I'm just not used to short hair, but this is a really nice wig. So I'm gonna add some water and mousse to it, and you guys can just watch as I go. So as you guys saw from the beginning, this wig, as soon as I saw it, I was like, this is giving me Save the Last Dance, Kerry Washington. That's such an iconic scene. That's a classic movie. I just couldn't, y'all. I couldn't resist. And I really love this wig. It's definitely giving auntie vibes, but not in a bad way. Like, I'm an auntie, so it's really no shade to me. So now I'm gonna be trying on a couple of headbands. It comes with 5 headbands. It comes with a black one, it comes with like a pink one, it comes with an orange one, a red one, a purple one. Like, there's so many different colors. I really love the curls, you guys. The definition that you get when you add mousse, it's a look, y'all. You can also add some conditioner if you like. I think I added a little bit at the end of this video, but these curls, y'all, it's everything. And you see how much bigger it gets once you comb it out and you fluff it out. You can probably do some styles with this hair, but I couldn't find any that I liked on my head personally. But then that could just be because I'm not used to having short hair, so I may have felt a little weird and insecure about it. This wig is super cute, you guys. Like, what wig? What wig? Not me. Like, this is not a wig. Don't be disrespectful. I highly recommend this to anyone. If you would like to purchase this wig, make sure you check the description down below. If you want to know where I got this wig from, thank you again, Love Me Hair, for sending me this wig. It's gonna be another staple in my wig collection. I think everybody needs a wig of every length and texture in their collection. So make sure you guys check the link down below. Don't miss out on this wig. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hit the like, subscribe if you're new. Also, if you think it was giving Kerry Washington vibes, hit the thumbs up because we love Kerry Washington. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Up in our world. There's only one world, 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀.
That is what they teach you. We know different.
I thought we were friends.
You want to be a friend? Don't just be here to be here. Open up your pretty brown eyes and look the hell around.
I can't.
No jealous bitches, that's a weak disease. Hold on, run up. If you're broken in my business, then just shut up. Taking trips, had to get away, baby. Posting pics.